Our project responds to a study that was carried out by the Makerere School of Public Health in 60 districts, where they established that about 2,940 deaths occur on an annual basis on the lakes of Uganda. And many of the accidents were attributed to bad weather conditions. So we can see the statistic here of 58% and 95% of the travelers or the fishers were not really wearing life jackets.
A lot of activities are ongoing on the water. Main transport, because the islanders connected to the mainland, they have to use the vessels for transport. And most of these transport vessels are locally made.
With drowning, given the environment in which it occurs, it poses a lot of risk to the responders as well. So you need adequate resources in terms of human resources, in terms of equipment, in terms of knowledge on how to manage. That means it requires a multi-sectoral approach, different stakeholders, multi-sectoral, multi-stakeholder approach.
Within the EFS, or Enhancing Fisherfolk Safety project, we are in the scoping phase, which is phase 1 of the project, phase 1 of 3 phases. And the aim of this phase is to constitute a team that will execute the project. But a very crucial part of the phase is also to train community members that are going to be working with us to develop the solutions that they will use.
It was very interesting to see the Marine Police, the weather experts, and the Ministry of Health experts all working together to come up with a curriculum for fishers and fisherfolk. I thought they really understood how to break down their content from complex terms to the very basic, simple things that we need to ensure that the community properly understands water safety, that the community properly understands first aid, and that the community properly understands weather information.
And then we also thought finally around the knowledge on weather to also speak to the scales of the weather forecast.
I think the engagement of these stakeholders has definitely helped with preparing for the project, because besides involving them for the training aspect, they've been able to give very early feedback, given that we're in phase 1 of the EFS project. They have given us very early feedback regarding the scope of the project, the approach, the areas of concern that they deal with on a day-to-day basis, which are all very important things for us to take into consideration as the lead project partner. And that's something that we've taken note, but also noting that these conversations, this is only the beginning of those conversations, and this is going to continue. We hope to actively work with these partners also in preparing for phase 2.